Hello my loves, what is up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kelly, this is K Bella Beauty, and we are here with a 3 looks, 1 palette video. I am going to share with you 3 looks, including this one here, using the Mel Thompson and Sydney Grace Tiny Marvels palette. So I did recently pick this palette up. I did a video where I was following Mel Thompson's tutorial, so I will link that in the cards above if you're interested in checking that out. That one was definitely outside my comfort zone. I was getting deep and sultry and using some color, but I had a lot of fun recreating that video. And in that video, I said, let me know if you guys want 3 looks, 1 palette. And the answer was a yes. So I dug into this palette to create 3 different looks for you. This is the inside of the palette if you have not seen it yet. I know Mel Thompson is doing like a bunch of tutorials using her palette, so I will definitely link her channel down below and you can go see plenty more looks. But if you are not new here, then you know I am much more of a neutrals girl. And so this palette is kind of my way of stepping outside of my comfort zone. I do not have a palette like this in my collection. Of course, you know, I have some of these neutral shades, but nothing with a bright pop of green, nothing with a pastel purple. I definitely am really drawn to this Fire Butts shade. I'm not gonna swatch everything, but I will swatch this shade for you because it is absolutely beautiful. And I am using Fire Butts in one of the looks that you're gonna see today, and I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. So all of the looks that you will see are going to be a little bit more on the neutral side and a little bit more toned down. But if you are kind of a basic girl like myself, then that might be what you're looking for. I did just want to note this palette is $52, but Mel Thompson had a coupon code. I don't remember what it is, but I'm sure she has it in her videos, and I will list it down below. I don't have a coupon code. This is my introduction to Sydney Grace as well. So if I can find Mel's code, I will link that down below because I actually got this $52 palette for $48. So it's definitely worth picking up a deal. And if you're already getting it because you want to support Mel, why not use her code and support her some more? But why don't I go ahead and stop talking and we will jump into the video.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Season. Just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season.
that is going to do it for this video. I do hope that you enjoyed the 3 looks that I created. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more from my channel, hit that subscribe button, stick around. I've been trying to post 2 times a week, although every now and then it'll probably just be once a week, because if you don't know, I am a teacher. I teach elementary school, and if you have kids, I'm sure you know what a interesting situation we are in with education. We have a very different school year, so I've been doing a lot with that, but you know, filming is relaxing for me, makeup is relaxing for me, so if you want to come, chill out, relax, hang out, grab a drink, eat a snack, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.